Right, welcome back. Before we move on to the examples, we need to look at one more natural deduction rule that will complete the set of natural deduction rules. It stems from the fact that you can reach a conclusion, and then what does it mean? So if you assume, right, or if you are working under the guise, you assume a specific statement is true. Let us assume that something is true, right? If statement 1 is true, assumed to be true, then we later find out that it leads to a contradiction. What is the logical conclusion to get to? Right. So we have got true or false. Those are the only outputs that we have. We can have true or we can have false. So if we assumed it to be not true, then we reach a contradiction. Then the opposite is true because there are only two scenarios involved. Right? It's a road that has got two paths, a fork. Then if you are told that this road A leads you to wherever you want to go, destination you want to go. So when you get to this point, you are guaranteed, once you're in this road, you are guaranteed of getting to this point. So if you were to take this road, right, and you see that it doesn't, then definitely the other road takes you there. Because it can either be this or that, nothing else. So since that is the case, if you were to assume the negation of a statement, then in the proof steps, you reach a contradiction. It means that your initial assumption was wrong, and then its negation is correct. Right. So that is proof by contradiction. Right. So when we do the deduction rules for this, if you want to have phi, you have phi, then you start by introducing a double negation, and then you have got, so you are negating this, such that when you reach a contradiction, this negation falls away, and this will be true. Right. So that is how we're going to move around it. So that's it. We now move on to the examples.